Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open the Notes app and tap the note you want to send. Verify the note contains only the content you intend to share. Remove private lines and lock sensitive sections if necessary. Confirm where the note is stored by checking the folder header. Notes in iCloud sync across devices and are easiest to share. Notes stored on my iPhone can still be sent, but you must export a copy manually. Tap the share icon in the upper right to open the share sheet. Choose Send a Copy to export the note content as a file. Select Mail, Messages, AirDrop, or Save to Files as your delivery method. Composing an email creates a copied note attachment or a PDF preview. Using AirDrop transfers a file directly over Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Saving to Files stores a copy in a folder. Like when sharing with non-Apple users, export the note as a PDF for universal readability. Choose Send a Copy and then print to save as a PDF on iPhone or iPad. Use AirDrop for fast local transfers within approximately 10 meters between devices. Always send a copy rather than share permissions to preserve your original note. Keep a backup copy in iCloud before distributing sensitive information.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.